The infotainment system in your 2023 Chevy Colorado is a multimedia hub running on GM's Ultifi platform. It handles navigation, apps, and connectivity. Over time, issues like screen freezes or unresponsive apps can occur. Resetting the system is often the first troubleshooting step. There are two main types of resets: a reboot, also called soft reset, and a factory reset. A reboot clears temporary memory and is ideal for minor glitches, like a frozen screen. To perform a reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or use the Reboot System option in the Settings menu. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, erasing all user data, Wi-Fi passwords, and paired devices. It should only be used for severe issues like persistent app failures or a black screen. Access it through Settings, System, Factory Reset, Reset. Before performing any reset, check for available over-the-air software updates via the Vehicle's Settings menu or the My Chevrolet app. GM has released numerous updates that resolve many common issues. To perform a reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or use the Reboot System option in Settings. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, System, Factory Reset, Reset. After a factory reset, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and reconnect your devices. If resets don't resolve display issues like flickering, try calibrating the touchscreen via Settings, Display, Touchscreen Calibration. If the display is still faulty, consult a dealership as it may require hardware replacement. Remember to back up any critical data before a factory reset and consider whether a software update might solve the issue first.